Okay, this is the second video. What I did in the morning. This is the same bathroom with the mirror up and the paper ready finished. This is square cloth wallpaper. This is beautiful. Look at that. On the side, it's difficult. I did it on the bottom. Look at that. Wow, it's difficult. I did it. This is DNL wall design and painting. Another beautiful installation from me. Okay. We didn't have enough paper. The client didn't enough, so I had to finish in a couple of weeks. So this coming from European wallpaper. Takes about 2 weeks to come. That's the only thing I need to finish. The easy part. 3 strips, 21 inches. Alrighty, this is DNL wall design. Thank you so much. Bye.